Hi, this is the voicemail. XX's lawyer left me while I was dealing with my dead mother. Here we go.
Rosemary, this is Jim McGehee. I'm sorry I haven't gotten back to you sooner, but I have been tied up in trial prep, and I'm going to be in trial for the next 2 days. I won't be available to do anything on you and your husband's case until Friday. But it's my understanding from talking with you and from talking with him that we've reached an agreement to settle this thing for the sum of $10,000 by way of a property settlement, which Robert will pull out of his 401k as soon as the judge signs the order. So I will be working on preparing that order on Friday. We'll need to figure out a way to get it signed by you by way of stipulation. And I'm sorry, but I'm not going to be available to the phone probably until maybe late Thursday afternoon or sometime on Friday. So give me a call back. If I don't hear from you, I will, as soon as I clear this trial, I will call you again. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the paperwork to do the general judgment of dissolution. And it's just going to include, you keep your property, Robert keeps his property, and then he pays you a $10,000 settlement, property settlement. So if that's not your understanding, give me a call. Thanks. Bye.
Right, that was exactly my understanding, yet turned out to be a lie, and his lawyer never sent those papers. And again, it was the understanding that once the judge signed the papers, that the $10,000 was being taken out of Robert's 401k, not that the $10,000 would be put into a 401k that I never would have been able to open being disabled for 20 years, and that I was taxed $3,900 fucking dollars on for no representation and having a judge violate my due process rights. Fuck you. I will not rest until justice is served, and this never happens to another American in a court of law where rights are violated, including constitutional and disability. As I was locked in a dungeon and I was denied my due process rights. I will not rest, and McGehee should be disbarred. He improperly filed the QDRO terms, which were not included in what I initialed the bottom of each page that I agreed to, which mentioned nothing about a Fidelity 401k, that I had no choice in company or what the money was invested in when I needed it to move because the fucking judge ordered me homeless. Why I had to settle to begin with under duress, which shouldn't even be a legal thing.